Hello viewers, welcome once again to the Tarotpreneur, and today we will see the twos of the minor arcana. So here are the cards. This is two of one, two of cups, two of swords, and two of pentacles. So what the number two indicates is that it indicates the partnership, the balancing choices, the decisions, the duality, the change or reflection, augmentation, passivity, or coming together, or sometimes the neutrality depends upon the reading. So now let's look at each of the twos, what they say, what they indicate into our life. So let's start with the two of wands. So two of wands, astrological. If you look at from the astrology point of view, this the two of wands indicates the Mars in Aries. So which means the ability to make choices, or there is a success which is completely imminent. Travel for the work or the spiritual purpose as well, could be self for a personal vacation or retreat as well. Control over any situation. It is like at a door of the opportunity, like at a verge of the new opportunity. And you also know your plans. It indicates that the plans are already aware. It's only that the execution is required. As you're seeing this break here, so it also says that you might break your any routine, or you attend a spiritual retreat, or it's all about the power of choice. Whatever you choose, you would be able to do that. Now let's look at the two of cups. So the two of cups, astrologically, this is Venus in Cancer, and this is purely the power of love, respect, or the benefit. It's like give and take. So you give and take as well. It's like meeting someone who is on the way. You just cross the path and you might meet your partner. This is any type of partnership. It could be marriage, it could be business partnership, it could be engagements. It also shows the appreciation to the parents, or some sort of celebration, very very personal. It also shows that you resolve the past differences, reunion of the soulmates. Money also comes through partnership. So anywhere where two people are involved, the two of cup indicates that. Now let's look at the two of swords. So two of swords is the moon in Libra. That means procrastination, the compromise, or a cross purpose, like uncertainty in any decision making, like most possibility that go indecisive, whether I choose this or whether I choose that. It involves as well any third party involved for any resolving of any dispute. It could be legal or third party, or could be any relationship issues. Hence the patience is more important here, and taking a decision is another very important factor here. Otherwise it might lead to fear or uncertainty about the future. Now let's look at the two of pentacles. So the two of pentacles is Jupiter in Capricorn. So that means the adaptability, the mobility, the travel, the recreation, the exchange, or the some fluctuations in finances or in the stock market. Parallel working of projects, like handling two or more projects. Then multitasking, or trying to get time for each other, because not getting time, the two soulmates are not getting time for each other. The money comes and goes, like it just balances, though it does not give you any bank balance, but it always balances that. Some good news on the health, and uh, being open for the new possibility. So these things, these two of pentacle brings to our life. So with this, we close this today, and tomorrow we will see what the threes brings to our life. Thank you.